Ladies and gentlemen, again, we are going to feature one of our favorite truck bed accessories here at RHRSwag.com, the Putco TEC bed rail system. We've got a lot of features to kind of cover up on here, but we have featured these guys before and we are absolutely crazy about these. Couldn't help but do it again, so here we are. We've got this set up on our new Chevy truck build. Really cool setup how they got these down to vehicle specific features that are sometimes underestimated, like the actual caps that are going to go on your stake pocket holes, which actually you're going to mount these to. Each one of these is going to come with a cap that is going to be perfect matched to your original equipment stake pocket hole. That's going to keep out all the moisture, dust, and debris that might otherwise escape into your truck bed, even if you do have an inside mounted tonneau cover like the Womack stance we have mounted here. Another great thing, of course, is their really super strong black powder coat, channel design for the Blade LED series that they have too. On top of that, at the very top, all kinds of different hauling jobs that you might have, 500 pounds tie down capacity. We've got dual T-slot channels, so any rack, any carrier, anything you have set up, if you can get it into a T-slot design sort of setup, you'd be good to go with Putco's TEC bed rails. All made in America, limited lifetime warranty, not that you're gonna need it. We're always here for you if you ever did. And of course, any other questions or if you wanna, of course, order, check us out and join us at RHRSwag.com.